Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about something that students often ask about, and that is how to pronounce this word. Now, there are two ways to pronounce it. You can say the, or you can say the. Both are correct, but we use them in different situations. And in this video, I'm going to explain the rule, but I want you to stick until the end because I will explain a situation where we actually break that rule. So if you want something beyond the basics, make sure you stick to the end of the video. So let's start with a little bit of pronunciation. The and the both start with a TH sound. Now, depending on what your first language is, that TH sound can be quite difficult. How you make the sound is you take your tongue and you have to have it resting gently on your front teeth. So a th position, just touching gently your front teeth. Then you're going to blow air past your tongue with your mouth open, and that should give you this th sound. Now we have the, or the. There's some vibration there. So we need more than just the air. We need a little bit of vibration to get the and the. So to do that, you need to use your voice, okay? So get your tongue gently resting on your front teeth. Make sure you can make the sound with no kind of vibration. And what you're going to use is your voice, okay? So your voice is what creates that vibration. If you're not sure what is happening, take your hand, gently put it on your neck, and when you use your voice correctly, you should be able to hear that vibration, okay? So without your voice, there should be no vibration. So, okay? With your voice, okay? So you should be able to hold that noise for a long time. Okay, so that is the position that we need. So to pronounce the, what we have to do is start with the, and then we bring our tongue back into our mouth. The. It just comes back into your mouth. Nothing else changes. My lips don't move. Okay, my jaw doesn't change. The final position is actually what we call the schwa position, schwa. This is a very, very common sound in English, the most common sound in English. This is the sound, And I'll definitely do another video about the schwa sound, but all you have to know is that you're moving your tongue from your teeth, touching your teeth, your top teeth, and pulling it directly back into your mouth. The is a little bit different. We start in the same position. We pull our tongue back, but our tongue actually goes wide. Okay? The. Okay? Our tongue comes back, but it goes wide. I can feel it touching the teeth at the side of my mouth. The. Also, you notice that my lips change position. The. My lips actually go a little bit wide. This is the same sound as in words like sea or tree. Okay, so if you can say those words, try to feel the position that your mouth is making. It's a good idea to practice switching from one sound to the other so that you really feel the difference in position. So the, okay? Get used to feeling those different positions and being able to move quickly between them. You can also look at yourself in a mirror to make sure that your mouth is moving correctly for the, that your lips are going wide, and also try to feel that your tongue is actually widening at the back as well. So what is the rule for this pronunciation? It's quite simple. We say the when the next word starts with a consonant sound, and we say the when the next word starts with a vowel sound. Okay, so you might say the cat, the cat, the cat. C is a consonant, the cat. Next, the dog, okay? The table, the mountain, the beach, okay? These words all start with consonant sounds, so we say the. If the next word starts with a vowel sound, so the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, then we are going to say the, okay? So for example, we can say the apple, the elephant, the information, the orange, the umbrella. What I want you to notice is when we use that connecting sound, that the into the vowel sound, we have almost like a Y sound. If you imagine like a Y sound, the apple. So imagine YA as in yapple, the apple, or the elephant, or the information, the orange, the umbrella. All of those links, it's like there is a little Y sound linking them together. This makes it very, very smooth and just gives you a very nice, clean pronunciation. Okay, so let's try to practice this. I will give you some phrases and I want you to decide if it's a the or a the pronunciation. Here's the first one. The apple. The apple. Next. The beautiful scenery. The beautiful scenery. Next. The orange. The orange. Next. The university. The university. Okay? Remember, it's university. The letter is a vowel, U is a vowel, but the sound is not a vowel sound. It's university. Next we have the interesting book. The interesting book. Next. The honest man. The honest man. Now, H is a consonant, but the sound is a vowel sound. The honest man. H is silent in this word. The honest man. Next. The incredible view. The incredible view. And lastly, the journey. The journey. Okay, well, I hope you did well there. Just remember that you will find some differences in pronunciation. English is spoken in many, many different parts of the world. And even within the UK or within America, within Australia, English is spoken differently by different groups of people. So you might hear different uses of this, and people might not follow this rule very strictly, okay? For example, for me, saying the orange doesn't feel too strange, the orange, okay? I don't need to say the orange. As we say, rules are there to be broken. And I want to finish by talking about one way that we break this rule, and that is to emphasize certain words. So as we said, we say the when the next word starts with a vowel sound. But in some cases, we use the word the for emphasis. So for example, if you listen to this sentence, I have the perfect solution for you. I have the perfect solution for you. I say the because I want to emphasize the next word, which is perfect. I have the perfect solution for you. Here are a few more examples. She has the most incredible talent for painting. She has the most incredible talent for painting. I need the best advice you can give me. I need the best advice you can give me. He has the biggest dog I've ever seen. He has the biggest dog I've ever seen. I had the craziest dream last night. I had the craziest dream last night. So by saying the instead of the, it adds a little bit of emphasis. Do you have to do this? No, it's not a requirement. But if you do, it can help stress what you're saying and makes your sentence a little bit more interesting. But just be careful how you use it. My recommendation is listen to other people and how they use it. And then as you get more confident, more comfortable, start experimenting yourself. Remember, languages are dynamic. English is a dynamic language. It's changing. People use it differently. We certainly have rules, but people like to break the rules. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.